episode. Ken knocks down the refrigerator / grounded, inspired by Python the GT Pro Series Gamer 2019. Hi, I'm Ken, and today, I am going to knock down the refrigerator. Ha 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 ha. I am doing it in 3, 2, 1. Yes, I knocked down the refrigerator.
Oh my god. Ken, what happened? I have heard something knocking down.
Yeah, we heard something crash while we were watching TV.
Well, you are going to be so furious when I say this, but yes, I knocked down the refrigerator.
Oh, Oh, my freaking god, K freaking idiot, moron, retarded, bald ass refrigerator knocking down and how? Fuck! King dare you knock down the refrigerator. You know you are not allowed to do that at all.
Your father is right, Ken. You know that knocking down a refrigerator is very expensive, and it costs money, and for this, you are grounded for 10,000 years. Go to your room, right now.
This day sucks. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. This is me, just signing off. As always, see you later.